I'm not entirely sure how to structure this video, but I have a video that has gone viral multiple times. It is my ballet choreography to the song Money from the musical Cabaret. And it's such a fun little dance to do on point, so I thought I'd just teach you guys it in case you want to do it. And if you do, then please do tag me. Let's get started. Also, I've got a very different way of teaching. I might count sometimes, I might sing sometimes. Yeah, it's just different all the time. Start feet parallel, facing the left corner of your room. You're going to rise up onto your tippy toes. Then you're going to swivel around. Now to swivel, I basically swivel most of my weight on the right toe. Bring it down. Now to swivel, weight goes back on the right foot. So you're basically dragging, whether you're on your toe or on just the ball of the feet on the floor, you're going to be dragging the left foot, but the weight is going to go on the right foot. So I hope that makes sense. So rise up on the tippy toe, weight on the right foot to drag the left toe forward, down, weight on the ball of the foot, right ball of the foot, up and swivel, down and swivel. Okay, so that's that movement over here there. So it goes money, 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 bing. So we're going to go money, 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 bing. So it's up and down and up and down, up and down, facing the right side. Now you're going to turn to face your body to the left-ish and kick the right toe up, up. So the reason why I hold on this bar is that you actually can't get momentum if you're just doing it freehand, so you're going to be late on the music. So from the start, up and down, up and down. 3. On the 4th one, up. Then you come onto your tippy toes, feet parallel. Now you're going to bend your knees and bend your ankles like that. You're not going to go like this because you're going to hurt something. So we go money, 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 and kick. Then we go double, single, single, fifth. As you're knocking your knees together and bringing your toes in towards each other. So we're going double, single, single, fifth. Right foot front. Now you're going to do 2 passes, no, 2 échappés first. So we're going to go échappé changé to bring the left foot front, échappé changé to bring the right foot front. Passé, passé, coup de pied. Don't bring it right up to the knee. Up and 2. And from here, you're going to releve onto your right leg and do like swivel walks forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's go from the beginning again. Up and down and up and down, up and down and kick. Double, single, single, fifth. Échappé. Does échappés first? Let me double check. I'll do it differently every time, to be honest, so it doesn't really make a difference. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Oh, passés first. Okay, so let's stick with passés first. And kick. Double, single, single, fifth. Passé, passé, échappé, échappé. Fifth. Now the swivel walks. 1, 2, 3. Now on the 4th one, you're going to turn, hold on to the bar, kick, step, kick. Does that make sense? Okay, right, left, swivel, kick, step, kick. And that is how the dance goes. I'm not going to do the longer version, I'll just do the quick one. So let's do it one more time, slowly, and then we'll do it quickly together. So we go, facing left foot, left corner, up and swivel, up and swivel, up and swivel, kick, and double, single, single, fifth, échappé, échappé, passé, passé. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, and touch. All right, one more time, quickly now. Actually, I realize now that that was quick that I did. Ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So you'll notice when I do those passe walks forward, they're not on beat with the music. So everything is on beat, then these ones kind of are a little bit slower across the music. If that makes sense. Okay, let's try it once with the music with me talking so we don't get a copyright strike. Okay, face the left corner, feet parallel, ready, and 2, 3, kick, double, 1, 2, 3, 4, passe, passe, chape, chape, 1, 2, 3, 4, step, kick, step, tap. All right. Well, hopefully I explained that well enough for you guys. If I didn't, let me know. But yeah, have fun making this dance and tag me in your recreations of it. I look forward to seeing them.